Welcome back to the next session of measures of central tendency. We are in the process of doing numerical problems. Let's see the next question. If the mode of the data is 18 and mean is 24, then median is okay. Now see the solution, very simple question. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Therefore 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Taking a mean to the left hand side, negative value will become positive. Therefore median is equal to 1 by 3 into mode plus 2 into mean. So 1 by 3 into mode is given as 18 plus 2 into 24. So this is 24 into 2, 48. 48 plus 18, 66. So 1 by 3 into 66, this is 22. So median is equal to 22. Look at the question number 2. If the standard deviation of if the standard deviation of 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 10 is sigma, then the standard deviation of then the standard deviation of 11, 12, 13, etc. 20 is look at this question, sir. Given observations 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 10. To the given set of observations, when a constant 10 is added, second series is obtained. To each value of 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. To obtain 11, 12, 13, etc. 10. Adding a constant is change of origin, standard deviation is independent of change of origin. Independent of change of origin. So standard deviation of new series is also sigma. Standard deviation of mu series is also sigma. Now look at the question number 3. For a symmetrical distribution, For a symmetrical distribution, Q1 is equal to 20 and Q3 is equal to 40. Median is simple question, sir. For a symmetrical distribution, median is midpoint of Q1 comma Q3. Therefore, median is equal to Q2. This is Q1 plus Q3 divided by 2. So this is 20 plus 40 divided by 2, 60 divided by 2, 30. 30 is the answer. Look at the question number 4. The following data gives the distribution of heights of students. Find the median. This is my question. For calculation of median, we have to arrange the given set of observations in ascending order. So see the solution. Height 150. Then 152, 154, 155, 156, 160, 161. Number of students. Frequency. So 150 corresponding to this frequency is 8. 152 4, 154 3, 155 7, 156 3, 160 12. Sorry, 156 is there again. 150, 160 it is 12, 161 it is 4. So for calculation of median, cumulative frequency is required. 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 22, 25, 37, 40. Now calculate n by 2, 41 divided by 2, 20.5, see a value which is just greater than 20.5 in cumulative frequency column. So 22 is the value. So median is equal to 155 centimeters. This way you have to calculate median for a given set of observations. Look at the question number 5. The geometric mean of 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4, etc. 3 power n is. So geometric mean is equal to x1 into x2 into x3 into etc. xn whole to the power 1 by n. Geometric mean for a set of n observations is nth root of their product. So this is 3 into 3 power 2, 3 power 3, 3 power 4, etc. 3 power n whole to the power 1 by n. Inside the brackets we are multiplying the terms. So bases are equal, powers can be added. Whole to the power 1 by n. 3 to the power n into n plus 1 by 2 whole to the power 1 by n. 3 power n into n plus 1 by 2 into 1 by n. 3 to the power n plus 1 by 2. Geometric mean is equal to 3 to the power n plus 1 by 2. Okay. The median of a set of nine distinct observations is 20.5. If each of the largest 4 observations of the set is increased by 2, then the median of the new set is median of new set is look at this, sir. The answer to this question is based on the property of median. Median is a positional average. And calculation of median is not dependent on each and every observation. It is a partition value. To what extent median is dependent on the other values? Other values are less than median or more than median. For this comparison only, the value of median is dependent on other observations. When you add 2 or you add 10, you add 100. It doesn't make any difference on the value of median. Okay. Let us see. Median is a positional average. Median is a positional average and is not at all affected by extreme observations. Therefore, median of new set is 20.5 only. The value of median is 20.5 only. Okay, sir. Next, the sum of squares of deviations of deviations for 10 items from the mean is 250. Calculate the value of CV, coefficient of variation. Look at the solution, sir. Coefficient of variation is equal to CV. Standard deviation over arithmetic mean into 100. Standard deviation over arithmetic mean into 100. So arithmetic mean is given in the question 50. I have to calculate standard deviation. Summation of x minus x bar whole square by n under root. 250 divided by 10 under root. This is 5. 25, square root of 25 is 5. Therefore, standard deviation is 5. CV is equal to 5 divided by 50 into 100. It will go 2 times 10. CV is equal to 10. Next question. A person divides his journey into 3 equal parts. And decides to travel the 3 parts at the speed of 40, 30 and 15 kilometers per hour respectively. Find his average speed during the whole journey. Now look at this, what is given in the question. A person divides his journey into 3 equal parts and decides to travel the 3 parts at the speed of 40 kilometers per hour, 30 kilometers per hour and 15 kilometers per hour respectively. It means equal distance is covered by him with unequal speeds. Again I am repeating this point. He covered equal distance with unequal speeds. So whenever equal distance is covered with unequal speeds, to find the average speed we have to calculate harmonic mean of different speeds. To find the average speed, use harmonic mean. So average speed is equal to 3 divided by 1 by 40 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 15. So we can simplify this. 1 divided by 40 is equal to memory plus 1 divided by 30 is equal to memory plus 1 divided by 15 is equal to memory plus. Denominator is simplified and stored in the memory. Numerator is 3 divided by MRC is equal to. So this is equal to 24 kilometers per hour. So his average speed is 24 kilometers per hour. Okay. Look at the next question. A person covers (12 kilometers) at 3 kilometers per hour, 18 kilometers at 9 kilometers per hour and 24 kilometers at 4 kilometers per hour. Find his average speed in covering the whole distance. Now see the solutions. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. So you have to calculate time, sir. Distance, speed is given. Time is equal to distance by speed. Now first 12 kilometers at 3 kilometers per hour. So this is equal to 12 by 3. Here it is kilometers, here also kilometers per hour. Kilometer cancel. 4 hours. Second one is 24 kilometers at 4 kilometers per hour. So this is 24 divided by 4, 6 hours. There is one more, this is 18 kilometers at 9 kilometers per hour. So 18 divided by 9, 2 hours. Total time is 12 hours. Total distance 30, 54 kilometers. 54 kilometers. So this is 54 kilometers, 12 hours. So this is 54 divided by 12, 4.5 kilometers per hour. 4.5 kilometers per hour. Average speed is equal to. Average speed is equal. Next question. The range of 20 observations is, the range of 10 observations is 20. If each item is increased by 15, then the range of the new series is question. Okay, sir. What is given, sir? 10 observations are there, for their range is 20. Individual values of the observations not given. No problem. If each item is increased by 15, adding a constant to each observation, is a change of origin. Range is independent of change of origin. Range is independent of change of origin. Therefore, a range of new series is also 20. Range of the new series is also 20. Okay, let's see the next question. The range of 10 observations is 20. Range of 10 observations is 20. If each item is divided by -2, then the range of new series is. Now look at this, sir. When each item is divided by a constant, when each item is divided by constant, is known as change of scale, is known as change of scale. Range is dependent on, change is dependent on change of scale. Range of new series is equal to modulus of minus 1 by 2 into range of old series. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into 20. This is equal to 10. Range of the new series is equal to 10. Okay. Next problem. The standard deviation of the standard deviation of 10 observations is 4. If each item is divided by minus 2, then standard deviation of new series is standard deviation of new series is. Now, solution. When each observation is divided by a constant, when each observation is divided by a constant is known as change of scale, and standard deviation is dependent on change of scale. Standard deviation is dependent on change of scale. So standard deviation of nu is equal to modulus of minus 1 by 2 into standard deviation of 4. 1 by 2 into 4. Okay. Next problem. The average of the average of two numbers is 20 and their standard deviation is is 5. Find the two numbers. Find the two numbers. Look at the question, sir. What is given? Average of two numbers is given as 20 and their standard deviation is given as 5. Okay. Let A comma B be the two numbers. Average A plus B by 2 is equal to 20. A plus B is equal to 40. This is equation number 1. For two numbers, standard deviation is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of A minus B. So 2 into standard deviation is A minus B. So standard deviation is given as 5. So 2 into 5 is equal to A minus B. Otherwise A minus B is equal to 10. Two unknowns are there. Two equations are required. Two equations are obtained. So this is A plus B is equal to 40. A minus B is equal to 10. 2A is equal to 50. A is equal to 25. So 25 plus B is equal to 40. This is 50. A is equal to 25 and B is equal to 50. Next question. Find the rank of the median. Find the rank of the median in the given series. In the given series 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 6, 5, 7. Okay, sir. For calculation of rank, you have to first arrange the given observations in increasing order. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 observations. Rank is equal to size of n plus 1 by second item, n plus 1 by 2th item. So this is equal to size of 6 plus 1 by 2th item. Rank of median is equal to size of 3.5th item. Okay. Look at the next question. If the coefficient of MD is 0.44 and MD from mean is 5.77, the mean is question mark. Now sir, coefficient of MD is equal to MD divided by mean. So mean is equal to MD divided by coefficient of MD. MD is 0.44. Sorry, this is 5.77 by 0.44. This is 5.77 divided by 0.44. 13.11. Arithmetic mean is 13.11. Okay, that's all in this, remaining in the next session. Thank you.